There are certain principles, agile development, agility, all these should fulfill or follow the agile spirit. So we talked about Agile Alliance, Mr. Kent and other people, they also suggested the manifesto, they signed the manifesto. So there are certain principles, we call it as agile spirit. The organization have to follow this principle so that they may say that they have achieved the agility. The first thing comes is the most priority person or people is your customer. Because you are to satisfy the customer. And this is only done when you give the software fast. You need to be welcoming the requirement. As I said, 50 requirements are there. In the later stages, 5 requirements have been deleted, 5 or more are added, new ones. So at this point of the project, in 1 year, if the change are suggested, you need to give them changes, provide them changes, right? Because this will give him advantage in the market. The delivering working software frequently, as I said, maybe in a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months, because the time scale of delivery should be less. Everyone involved in the project making, whether it is a developer or stakeholder, the manager, everyone involved, there has to be continuous conversation, continuous discussion throughout the project. Okay? There has to be some communication. And we have to build the project around those people who are highly motivated. When the person will be motivated, the team member, project manager, project leader, whosoever it is, they should get a good environment. You see in Google, you see in Adobe, the environment is so good. People want to work there. The support they need and they get, and they are being trusted to get their job done. Face-to-face conversation. We always use, normally WhatsApp, we use mobile, we use the email to talk. Why not to talk face-to-face? Talk to shareholders, talk to your, peers face-to-face. And all that matter is working software. If you want to find out the progress, it is all about working software. Agile process, it promotes sustainable development. That is, the sponsor, developer, user, they should be able to maintain a constant pace throughout. Everyone has to be together. Everyone has to be on board for this sustainable development. This is also one of the principles of agility. Continuous attention to the technical excellence. That is, if you want the person to be good, you have to train. Okay? For example, a private college individual or an IITian, you know the difference how they work. And then simplicity is very important. If you make it hard, it will be hard for you, it will be complex for the user. Make it simple. KIS, keep it simple. That is the idea. The best product, it can be architecture, requirement, design, whatever is coming, can only come from the team which is self-organizing teams. Because architecture, requirement, design has to be done. And this will be only done when the teams are deciding themselves, among the peers. So this is self-organizing team. Then, at regular interval, what is the problem? How to overcome this? What can be done to fine-tune, adjust our behavior, individual and the software behavior? This we need to, that is, continue review, talk, conversation should be there.